Hey everyone, it's Dakota, and today I'm here to give you an update on how our plants and our MG12 machines are doing. And as you can see, the lettuce has already grown. It's been 4 weeks and it's ready to harvest. So in order to harvest the lettuce, we're going to clip from the outside in of the plant near the base, but leaving a little bit of the plant in the center to promote growth so we have more harvest in the future. As you can see here, our oregano plant is really thriving, and I definitely could have harvested sooner, as you can harvest this plant anytime, but my app just told me that's ready to harvest, and so I'm going to do it today. And when you harvest oregano, you basically go down to where there are 2 leaves and trim right there to encourage and promote further growth. So similar to the oregano, mint can be harvested anytime, and you can even pull them off leaf by leaf as you need them. But since we have so much here, we're just going to take a little bit at a time, a few stems to trim it down. Alright, here we go. Time to harvest some cilantro. Same as the oregano and mint, we're going to trim these down because it's super tall. You can harvest this anytime and even just pull a few leaves as you need them. And we're just going to trim them down small, cut them to the 2 leaves to encourage growth, and get a few harvests out of this. Last but not least, we're going to get some parsley off of this bad boy. You can trim him anytime, just like any of the other herbs, and snip a leaf at a time or a whole stem as you need it. And there we have it, our first harvest on our Miracle-Gro 12 machines. I'm so excited. I'm going to have a salad, lots of great herbs, and there's recipes in the app that can tell me exactly what to do with them. Time to get picking.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.